Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I did a bubblegum and cotton candy inspired look that is actually my go-to look using the Saint&Sinner palette for when I go out. I think it's kind of like classic with a twist, classic with an edge. It's a little bit fun, a little bit edgy, but still wearable. So if you want to see how I did this, it's pretty easy, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off by taking Sacred Heart into my crease very lightly with the Colourpop E2 blending brush, and I'm really gently just sweeping it through my crease and pulling it into my inner corner of my eye, as well as pulling it out towards the edge of my eyebrow. Your mess, found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger. Next I'm taking the color Rosary. It's like a deep magenta on a Colourpop E9. It's just a smaller blending brush, and I'm doing this so I can get it deeper into the crease. I don't want it as diffused, and I am working it in below the Sacred Heart color out towards the edge of my eyebrow, and I'm not bringing it in as far to the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going back in, no more product on the brush, but I'm using the same brush I used for Sacred Heart, and I'm just making sure that the edges are super well blended. And then I'm packing in more of Rosary to really deepen it, and I want that magenta to pop. And then I'm blending again. Now I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just using my finger to lay that down on my lid to prep for the next shade, which is Cathedral, and it's a glitter shade. So if you don't use the glitter primer, I would suggest wetting it, and even then you might still get some fallout, so yeah, just a warning. But this is like a really pretty blue, like it's, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a blue color, but it has silver shimmers in it. It's really pretty. So I'm just laying that down on my lid, and I am pulling it up to the crease, but I'm not putting it into the crease. And then I'm using this small blending brush that had the magenta shade on it to buff out the edges of that blue shimmery shade to make sure that there's nothing harsh going on there. Next I'm taking, I think that's Heaven. It's an iridescent lavender. It's really pretty, and I'm putting it, this is actually a lip brush, don't at me, and make sure you wet it because it also is like the other one. It's a glitter shade. It'll do best wet or on a glitter primer. Okay, next I'm working on my lower lash line, and I'm taking the Colourpop E10 to smudge, what is that, Rosary underneath my lash line, and I'm only doing about half my eye. And then I'm using Sacred Heart to buff it out, and I'm pulling that all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm going back in with Rosary to deepen up that outer corner again on my lower lash line, because I felt like I kind of lost that color a little bit when I buffed it out with Sacred Heart. And then finally, I'm taking Heaven on that lip brush again. It's clean, I swear. And I'm wetting it, and I'm putting it into my inner corner, and I'm pulling it up just a little bit towards my brow bone and in towards the center of my eye, as you can see. And that's it. So yeah, that's it for this look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more with this palette, because I know a lot of people have had a hard time figuring out color combinations because of the way that this palette is like laid out, the way all of the colors are organized in it. People are having a hard time. If you guys want to see how I use the colors in this palette, then let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!